and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name's Rhonda, better known as HotmessmommaMD, and I know it's Thursday and you guys are probably like, why are you uploading? I thought you said you're going down to 2 to 3 times a week. Well, surprise guys. I actually got home from work, got back into my cozies, and saw that this had been delivered, and I'm like, oh, this can't wait. I already have a video scheduled for Friday, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna upload, or we're gonna do this video and upload it on Thursday. That is what I'm trying to say. What this is, if you guys are curious, this is the Ipsy Extreme, whatever, Glam Bag Plus. Is that what it's called? I don't know. I'm still very new to this whole Glam Bag Plus situation. I typically, as you guys know, do the Ipsy versus Ipsy with my daughter Haley, which I still have that one coming too. I'm gonna go ahead and talk a little bit more about that. So if you're interested to see what all is in this, I have no idea. I've not seen anyone's video on it. Make sure to stay tuned, but before we get into the video, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoy my channel, our little family over here in the corner of the YouTube world. And don't forget, I do have the 10K giveaway still going on, so I will make sure to leave it linked down below in the description box so you guys can jump over to that video and enter to win into that giveaway. But anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this Ipsy unboxing. Okay guys, so like I said, Ipsy, you guys typically see Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter unbaggings on my channel, and that is a subscription service that is $10 and I believe 60 cents every single month, and you get sample size products, and I think it is what, 5, maybe sometimes 6, and you do sometimes get some full-size items in that particular Ipsy bag. Now, I'm not doing this with Haley for this particular unboxing because she's not gotten the invitation for the Glam Bag Plus yet. So maybe when she does receive that, she'll be also getting it. I'm not for sure on her feelings of it or not. But the nice thing about this one is $25, so it's around the price of the Boxycharm, but this is, I think, 5 full-size products, and I think they may go off your Ipsy profile. I don't know, I could be wrong on that one, but the Ipsy, the $10 bag, that one does go off your profile, so they say. Okay, so getting right into this is what it looks like when you open it up. It says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. Oh, I really like that. So don't compare yourself to others, guys. You be you. Okay, so getting right into the box, you do get a little pamphlet on here. It opens out, and I guess it's showing you everything that is in this one. Now, this is a quarterly subscription service, I do believe. Again, I'm sorry guys, I don't have all the information, but I am 99% sure that this is not something that I'm going to receive every single month. However, if it is, feel free to leave a comment down below and correct me on that, because like I said, this is my first ever Ipsy unboxing. Okay, so the first item that I did receive is the Unleashed Wonder Beauty Mascara. This is something that I do believe that I did receive in the Boxycharm box. What was that? October, November? I could be wrong. I don't know. Curious to see what the retail value of this entire box is. This does say that it does retail for $24, and I don't think I've not tried this one. I don't think. So let me know if you guys tried it, if you like it. Okay, so next I received a Violet Voss HD Fun Size Eyeshadow Palette. Holy crap! This is their brand new one, I think. I think they retail for like $18. Oh, by the way, if you like my nail polish, this pretty yellow color, it is by Kale Polish. It is in the shade Gemini from the Zodiac collection. Oh, wow. That's really pretty, guys. It reminds me of the Modern Renaissance by ABH. Does it to you? That's actually really pretty, and I will actually use this one. So that is cool. And my son just came down and started his dancing. If you caught yesterday's video where I tried to do a talk through, my son did the same thing. Okay, so it does say it does retail for $18. Haha, you didn't get me this time, buddy. Okay, so the next item I did receive retails for $22. This is by Ico London. It looks like it is a liquid liner plus wide lash. What is that? Sorry, I didn't even hold it up to show you guys. Maybe I should zoom you guys in so you guys can see better too. Is it two-sided? Oh, it just looks like it's a felt tip liner. I don't know. I think Haley would really like this because my daughter really likes liquid eyeliners. So I think that's more for her. It does, like I said, does retail for $22. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit so maybe you can see the products a bit better. Okay guys, so the next item is the Matte Crush, and I never say this right, Vassati maybe? What is this? Okay, this looks like it is a lipstick. It's a lipstick pencil that does retail for $23. Oh my goodness, it's crazy, crazy dark, like crazy dark. I'm actually not going to swatch that. I'll either give it to Haley or put it in a goodie bag giveaway. But that does retail for $23. I have 2 more items. The next one is by Hey Honey Good Morning Honey Silk Facial Serum. An all-day nourishing for flawless skin. It does say it is for all skin types. I don't know about this one. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6th ingredient is dimethicone. You guys know I'm sensitive to dimethicone. So not sure on that one. But I do like the brand, and it does retail for $45. The last item I got, which I'm actually really happy about, is by Murad. This is the Acne Control Skin Perfecting Lotion. It is oil-free, lightweight, and it's for oil-free, no wait, it's for blemish-prone skin. Wow guys, it's been a long day. And this one actually retails for $40. So let me go ahead and total up everything. It does look like you do get quite a bit of items in here. You do get 6 full-size items. So let me go ahead and total everything up for this box. Okay guys, so like I said, I paid $25 plus tax. It may have came to like $26 after tax. But the grand total of everything is $172 even. And I want to give you guys my overall thoughts. This is the first one I've received from Ipsy, and it's kind of one of those things, anytime that you enter into like a whole subscription service, you are putting yourself out there to receive whatever they feel like giving away to you or whatever. Overall, do I think the box is worth $25? I do, for the fact that you did get good products in here. However, am I overly excited about the products that I did receive? I do like, out of everything, I do like these 2 products. And, you know, together they come to be more than what I paid for the box. So in that aspect, it does, you know, I know I really like Murad, and it's eyeshadow, so I've heard really good things about Violet Voss. I still haven't tried it. And I am a mascara junkie, and I've actually heard good things about this mascara, so I take it back. 3 out of 3 is not too shabby, and like I said, just with these 2 products, it's more than the $25. Add this one in there, it's definitely over it. So I think that the box is good. I think it's going to be each to their own type of deal. You know, the Boxycharm, granted I'm paying $50 for that one, but that Boxycharm quarterly box was pretty doggone amazing. I don't think this was bad, but I'm not overly excited about it. Maybe it's because I'm hungry and I need to go have a snack. Maybe it's that. Maybe if I eat, I'll be like, oh my god, it's amazing. I don't know. We'll see. So, okay guys, so that's all for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. If you thought it was boring, well then, you know, put a thumbs down, whatever. But I'm hungry, so I need to go get a snack. Yeah. I definitely need a snack. Anyways, don't forget to check my daughter Haley's channel out. Don't forget to check out the description box down below, because there is that 10K giveaway going on, and I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I will definitely be seeing you guys tomorrow, and I hope you're having a wonderful Thursday. Until next time, my friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye! Girl.